Good morning, Phoenix. Joey Hasselbring here with R.O.I. Properties. We are back at Trellis Colter, the newest affordable housing development to come to Phoenix. 1617 West Colter Street, near the corners of Camelback Road and 15th Avenue. As you can see here, we have a couple buildings under construction right now. Building A, stucco is done. Building D, we're getting close to there. Building A is going to house the model units. Those would be ready for touring at the beginning of the year, come January. Both buildings should be available for delivery and move-in towards the end of March. We are accepting contracts right now, though, so we have a couple units sold, so act fast if you want to get in here. But hey, let's take a quick tour of the interior and see what changes have been made since our last video tour. And we are back. All right, we are in Unit A1. This is the Agave model, 1,600 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We are on the first floor, right off the garage. You are looking at the flex space. This area can be used as a home office or a workout room. Has a nice little storage area as well. All right, let's head up to the second floor. Second floor is your main living space. Family room. Kitchen. Plenty of windows, offering excellent natural lighting here. Second floor has a half bathroom. All right, let's spin around. Let's head up to the third floor now. Third floor houses your bedrooms, 2 masters. Right up the stairs here, you have your washer and dryer closet. All right, first bedroom here. Good size. Nice big walk-in closet here. And here's your bathroom. Also good sized bathroom as well. All right, let's head over to the other bedroom. Here's the second bedroom. Nice little closet there. So wrap around here's your ensuite bathroom. So there you have it.